Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're digging into a really common challenge for any warehouse or retail space. How do you lift and move heavy stuff as efficiently as possible? We're going to break down how to pick the perfect tool for that job.
So here's the game plan. We'll start by really defining the problem. Then we're going to level up through the CESAB Stacker Truck series, starting with the compact models and going all the way to the heavy-duty workhorses. And we'll finish up by helping you figure out which one is your perfect match. Okay, let's get into it.
All right, first things first. Let's really set the scene and understand the core problem these machines are actually designed to solve.
You know the feeling, right? If you've ever tried to squeeze every last bit of storage out of your space or navigate super narrow aisles, you know exactly what I'm talking about. How do you lift heavy pallets, stack them way up high, and still turn on a dime, all without causing a major headache?
Well, that is exactly where a stacker truck comes in. Think of it as the specialist. It's way more nimble than a big, clunky forklift, but it's got a lot more muscle than a simple pallet truck. It's the perfect middle ground.
Okay, so let's start our journey at level 1. This is the solution for those smaller, less intensive operations. Say hello to the CESAB S010i.
The S010i is really all about being efficient and easy to move around in places where space is a luxury. You know, like the back room of a retail store or maybe a small workshop where every single square foot is precious. That's where this thing really shines.
So what does that all mean in the real world? Well, all its features are basically geared towards being super easy to use and totally reliable. The ergonomic controls mean your operators won't get tired out, and its optimized energy use means it can run longer on a single charge. It's all about keeping things moving.
And what about power? It can handle a solid 1,000 kilograms. That's a full metric ton. For most standard pallets you'd find in a store or a small workshop, that is plenty of muscle.
And it can lift those loads up to 3.5 meters. That's huge for taking advantage of vertical space that you might be wasting otherwise. But what if you need even more power and more reach? Well, let's level up. Okay, time to step it up a notch. Now we're getting into the models that are built for more demanding, more intensive work. This is where the S100 and S200 series come into the picture. Yeah, the S100 and S200 series are your versatile workhorses. They're a great fit for a much wider range of jobs. We're talking about those busier warehouses and distribution centers, places that need gear that can keep up with a much faster pace all day long.
These models are definitely built for the long haul. And one of the coolest features here is the adjustable performance settings. This is a big deal because it lets you tweak the truck's operation for a specific task or even a specific driver. You can optimize it for raw speed or for careful, precise movements.
And this chart just shows you the step up in capability perfectly. The S100 already gives you a whole extra meter of lift, but the S200, it can stack goods almost 2 meters higher than that little S0110i, reaching all the way up to 5.4 meters. I mean, that's a massive difference when you're trying to cram as much as you can into your warehouse.
And that brings us to the top of the mountain, the solution for the absolute toughest jobs out there. Meet the CESAB S300.
Look, if your operation is all about consistently heavy loads and super high stacking in tough industrial environments, the S300 is engineered for exactly that. This is the beast you bring in when there's absolutely no room for compromise.
With this one, the focus really shifts to precision and durability when you're pushing it to its limits. Think about it. With heavier loads at greater heights, control is everything. The S300's advanced system makes sure the operator has smooth, precise control, which is absolutely critical for both safety and getting the job done right. It's got a massive 1,600 kilogram load capacity. Just to put that into perspective, that's a 60% increase in lifting power over that compact S10i model we started with. That's a serious upgrade. And a seriously impressive maximum lift height of a full 6 meters. This lets you build incredibly dense pallet racking, truly squeezing every last drop of potential out of the vertical space in a large warehouse. So, okay, we've seen the whole lineup, from the nimble S010i to the powerhouse S300. Now for the million-dollar question. How in the world do you decide which one is right for you? Let's break it down.
You know, just looking at the two extremes gives you a really clear picture of the whole range of capabilities. On one end, you've got nimble efficiency for tight spots, and on the other, you have just raw power and reach for the toughest jobs. Your perfect truck is probably somewhere on that spectrum.
This table pretty much lays it all out for you. You can compare the key stats side by side. But notice something interesting. As the load capacity and lift height go up, so does the turning radius, and that's a super important trade-off to think about. A more powerful machine needs a little more elbow room to maneuver, so you've really got to match the model to your aisle widths.
Now, a question we hear all the time is, hey, can I get all this performance for a lower price by buying used? And yeah, it's a tempting idea for sure, but it definitely comes with a few strings attached.
Bottom line is yes, it can be a really smart, cost-effective move, but only if you do your homework. A full service history is an absolute must. It's non-negotiable. And you'll definitely want a professional to check out the battery and the frame for any hidden issues. Safety first, always.
So let's wrap this all up. When you match the machine's capabilities, its lift height, its capacity, its turning radius, to your specific needs, you're not just buying a piece of equipment, you're actually investing in a more efficient, more productive, and safer workflow. So think about it. The right stacker truck doesn't just lift pallets, it unlocks your potential.